Okay, sweet. Today we've got another good one. Today I'm going to teach you how to play When We Were Young by Adele on the piano. By the way, if we haven't met before, first of all, nice to meet you. My name is Josh and I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am here on YouTube to teach and inspire people through music and specifically the piano. Today's question of the day is coming from our song title, and that's going to be When You Were Young, what was your favorite song to listen to or to play? Let me know down in the comments and maybe I'll make a tutorial for that one. Remember to like and subscribe if you're getting any value or you're enjoying my videos at all and you want to see more in the future. Let's go! Alright, today we've got 4 sections to go through: the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and then the bridge. We'll get started right away with the verse. So our first chord here is going to be a C minor chord. That's going to be a C in the left hand, G, C, and E flat in the right hand. After this, we go to a G minor chord. That's going to be a G in the left hand, G, B flat, D, and E flat. We'll keep that here in the right hand. This E flat here, by the way, is the flat 13th. By the way, you'll notice for all these chords here in the verse, we're going to keep on playing this E flat note at the top. Because we're playing this for every single chord, we call this a pedal tone or a pedal point, you might hear it called. And because this E flat that we keep playing is at the top of our chords, we actually call that an inverted pedal tone. Just a little fun little thing. Anyways, we're going to go up now to the A flat chord. That's going to be an A flat in the left hand, A flat, C, and E flat in the right hand. Back down to a G in the left hand, but now in the right hand, we're not going to be playing the D. It's just going to be our E flat chord. This is an E flat over G. Down again to an F minor 7. This is an F in the left hand, F, A flat, C, and E flat in the right hand. And then we'll end down here on our E flat chord, just like before. So we're just going to play each of those chords as a full block chord, and each one is just going to get 2 beats, so it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This gets 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those last 2 chords, F minor 7 and E flat, those are each going to get 4 beats. And then the only other thing you need to know is transitioning down, we have this at the end. That's just E flat to the D, and then on the downbeat we'll play the C minor chord here. And then repeat. Alright. The last part of the verse is starting with a B flat suspended chord. That's a B flat, F, B flat, and E flat. And then we go to a B flat chord. B flat, F, B flat, D, and then F if you want to play that as well. Alright, that's the whole verse. That's pretty easy. Now we're going to go on to the pre-chorus. So let's get started with the chords that we're going to be playing in the pre-chorus. Our first chord is going to be an A flat. That's just going to be just like before. A flat, C, and E in the right hand. Then we go to a B flat chord, but I like to have a few extra notes here. So first of all, you have a B flat, and D. Those are pretty normal. I usually hear this 7th here, the A flat, so I like to keep playing that. And then, like I was saying before, we like to keep this E flat a lot, and I think having this D and this E flat, I usually hear that tension and I think it sounds really cool. Alright, now we go on to our G minor chord. Here I just play G, B flat, and D in the right hand, and then go back to our first chord, the A flat. Those 4 chords again. So you can just play those as single chords like we did in the verse, but I like to play this pattern in the right hand that sounds a little something like this. If I count to 4 slowly, it'll be like 1, 2, and 3, and 4. It takes a little bit getting used to that pattern. But if you play it enough over time and play it over and over again, it'll become really natural really quickly. If you want to match the original, I think this is pretty close to it. Something like that. Although sometimes I like to throw in extra notes here in the left hand as well. Just something fun like that. So that's the first time. We repeat, go back to our A flat chord again, the B flat with the 7th and the 11th, G minor, and now this last time we go to a B flat chord. B flat in the left hand, F, B flat, and D in the right hand. And this just occurs right before we go into the chorus. Lastly, we have this last pre-chorus that is just going to be played up here. It's basically the exact same as before, but up an octave. All right, so now let's go over the chorus. We'll start here with our E flat chord, played just like we did before. E flat in the left hand, G, B flat, and E flat. Now to a G minor chord, just like before. A flat, we're just walking up here in the left hand, and then walk up again to the B flat in the left hand, F, B flat, and D here in the right hand. That gets repeated. E flat, G flat, G minor, A flat, and B flat. Now here, we're going to change and we're going to go to a C minor chord, just like we played it in the verse, down to a G minor chord. So then we have A flat major and A flat minor. We just drop the C to a B. And then we go to F minor 7. And then we're going to go to a B flat chord, but before going right to it, we're going to suspend it by playing this E flat up here instead of this D. So like this, F, B flat, and E flat in the right hand. And then resolve to the B flat. You play the D now and the F as well. Or if you can't reach the F, just play the D. The right hand pattern is going to be the same as before. Let me do that one more time slowly. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So yeah, take some time to practice that at a slow tempo if you need to. Try to play along with the original song once you can get it a little faster, and you should be able to get that rhythm down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Like before, I like to add a few extra notes in the left hand, something like this. C minor, G minor, A flat minor, F minor 7, suspended, and then the B flat. All right, there is the chorus. Last but not least, we have this bridge, and the bridge is going to be coming out of the second time we go through the chorus, I believe. So we're here on our B flat chord, and we're going to transition up with this B diminished chord. We're going to play a B in the left hand, F, B, and D in the right hand. As you can see, these B flats are just moving up to Bs. And that's going to transition us to our C minor chord. The bridge is going to be starting with the C minor chord. Go down now to an E flat chord over a B flat in the left hand, G, B flat, and E flat in the right hand. A flat chord, E flat chord again over a G now, F minor 7. Now we go back to the B flat. Walk up to the B again for the B diminished, and then just repeat that again. C minor, E flat over B flat, A flat, E flat over G, F minor 7, and then just gets repeated a few times. And all right, that is everything you need to know to be able to play When We Were Young by Adele. All right, that brings us to the end of today's piano tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments if you have any specific questions about anything. I'll be happy to answer those. Or if you have a song you would like to suggest for me to do a tutorial for, let me know down in the comments. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And with that, have a beautiful rest of your day.